what about it too?
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make pumpkin spice cupcakes. I figured since the fall season is upon us, I would show you guys how to make these pumpkin spice cupcakes, and I'm going to kind of walk you through it today, and it'll be perfect for all your occasions coming up for the fall time. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what you're going to need to make the pumpkin spice cupcakes is 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 3/4 cups of canned pumpkin puree. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started on putting these cupcakes together. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a large bowl and a sifter, and I'm going to take my dry ingredients and sift it through. So here's my flour, and I'm just going to kind of slowly pour that flour in. And just kind of sift it. Okay, and then we'll take our dry ingredients, which I happen to have all in one bowl together here. Salt, cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking soda. And I'll have all the ingredients down below the video so that you guys will know what we're going to put in here. So just kind of run those through the sifter as well. And we'll set that to the side for now. We will kind of mix it through once we add it to the mixer. If you have a stand mixer, great. If you have an electric mixer, that's fine as well. We're going to add 1/2 cup of butter to our mixer. And we're going to add a whole cup of sugar. And we're going to cream this together. Okay guys, so I'm just creaming together the butter and the sugar. Kind of mix that till it gets fluffy. Okay, so we got the butter and the sugar creamed together here, and I'm just kind of getting it off the mixer here. But what we want to do now is we want to add our eggs. We have 2 large eggs here, and I'm just going to kind of try to add 1 egg at a time. Kind of mix it in. Okay, just kind of mix it together until it's all well incorporated. I incorporated the eggs, and next we are going to add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix that in. And then finally, we're just going to kind of alternate. I'll add a little bit of my pumpkin puree, and let me go ahead and mix this together real quick. Our flour and our dry ingredients, we want to add that just a little bit at a time, maybe like 1/3 of it each time, and go ahead and mix it in until it's incorporated, because if you add the whole thing, start mixing it up, you might have flour just go everywhere all over the kitchen, and you don't want that. So just kind of slowly mix a little bit of the pumpkin puree in, and then the flour mixture. Okay guys, so we got our pumpkin spice cupcake mix here, and we're just going to scoop it into our cupcake liners. I use a little scooper thing like this that I got from Pampered Chef, just so that it makes all of the cupcakes nice and even, but you can use like an ice cream scoop, would work great. And we will go ahead and pop these into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I went ahead and let the pumpkin cupcakes cool, and we're going to go ahead and decorate them. You don't have to decorate them to look like a pumpkin, but I'm going to do that today. You can just put a regular cream cheese frosting on them and decorate them with some sort of orange sprinkles or just something that's fall-like. But you should smell your house after you bake these. It smells wonderful in here. So anyways, I'm just going to do a really simple swirl on these, and I got some green icing in this bag, and we'll kind of make some leaves with that, and that's what we'll do today. You can get a little bit more detailed with yours, but these are just going to be simple. We're just going to decorate this really simple, like I said. Got some orange icing here. I got the Wilton tip number 1M. Just going to do a swirl on it. And like I said, I have some green icing. So I'm just going to kind of take and do like a little swirl like that. This is the Wilton tip number 70, and it's supposed to look like a leaf. So we're just going to kind of make a little leaf on there. So there you have it. There's your pumpkin-inspired cupcake, I guess. Okay guys, so here's a few of the pumpkin spice cupcakes that I decorated to look like pumpkins. You can decorate them however you want. If you want to use a cream cheese icing and throw some pecans on there, or some fall-like sprinkles, orange sprinkles, just whatever you want to do. This is how I did mine. And I hope the video was helpful today. I hope that walking you through the process of actually making the pumpkin spice cupcakes was helpful. And although I didn't show you how to make the cream cheese frosting, I will go ahead and post a recipe underneath the video for this. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy.